All aboard! Come along with us today as we learn all about steam locomotives. This is a steam train or steam locomotive. It is powered by coal. The coal is loaded onto the train from a chute that runs from the coal tower down into the tender car of the train. The coal is then loaded into the engine's firebox by the fireman, like you see here. The coal is burned to create heat. The heat causes the water inside the boiler to create steam. The pressure from the steam pushes the driving wheels down the track. Come along with us as we take a ride on the steam train.
Here we go. Please stay seated while the train is moving. I'm not giving the people in town a wave and a big yee-haw.
Rhett, what are you doing? You on a train? Now that we've seen a real steam train in action, let's check out Rhett's toy train. Let's see that steam train go, Rhett. Here he comes, chugging down the track. Good job, choo-choo train. Rhett, what kind of train is that?
Steam train.
A steam train, a steam locomotive. He has an engine, a tender car, and 2 passenger cars. What's the last car called? The caboose, that's right. There he goes. Let's see what kind of cool parts there are on your train. What is this part right here called? It's called the cow catcher or the pilot. And when the train goes down the track, if there's anything in its way, this piece right here will push it out of its way. And then it has its light or its headlamp. And what's this piece right here?
Bell.
The bell. Let's hear the bell. Good job. And then we have the smokestack on top. And where's the steam come out of? Where does the steam come out of, Rhett? That's right. And right here is where the train conductor will sit and the fireman. And the fireman will load up the coal out of the tender car and put it in the back. And then they're ready to chug down the track. Let's see what helps the steam train move down the track.
Coal.
That's right, coal helps them go, but this is what moves down the track. Here he comes. Can you stop him right in front of me? All right, let's look at these parts. This is the driver, this is the crank, and this is the drive rod. And let's make the train go real slow so we can see it in action. They all work together. There they go. Look at that steam train going down the track, Rhett. Can we hear his whistle? Good job. Thanks for joining us today as we learned all about steam trains. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more learning and fun.